Google Workspace is a popular business suite of world-class productivity and collaboration apps built for all types and sizes of business. Google Workspace also offers a professional business email service, and today I'm going to help you get up and running with all of the essential Google Workspace features that you need to know. So hey guys, stay here. Welcome along to this channel. I hope all is well in your world now. In this Google Workspace tutorial for beginners, I'm going to gently take your hand and walk you through how you can use Google Workspace so that your entire business can make the most of this all-in-one business suite. So the first thing that you have to do is open your web browser and dive into workspace.com. So this is the homepage. As you can see, we have here various information. Like here we have create and exchange and collaborate with the potential of EA. We have also productivity and collaboration tools that adapt to all modes of work. And right now, to use Google Workspace effectively, you have to start by setting up your account through the Google Admin Console, where you can manage users, set permissions, and customize your domain settings. So the first thing that you have to do is click over Start. As you can see, you have here a various information, but before, let's switch this to English, and let's click on over Get Started. So as you can see, once you do that, you will find other page which is getting started, and you will have to link your information, and then we get started with Google Workspace. So you write your company name, for example, and you have your number of employees including you. So we have here only you, between 2 and 9, between 10 and 99, between 100 and 299. So I will choose between 10 and 99, and we have here region, it's Morocco, and I will click over next. But before, we have here discover a new way to work with generative AI. With Google Workspace, you can purchase Gemini as an add or to create, communicate, and collaborate in a new way. So I will click over next, and we'll find other page which is what are your contact details. Because you create the Google Workspace account, you will be the administrator. Write your full name, for example Mike, then we have the name, and we have current email address, and we have here, because you create the Google Workspace account, you will be the administrator. So I will click over next. Once you do that, you will find other page which is choose a method to set up your account. You have to set up your company's email and Google Workspace account. You will need to have a domain as example.com. You have to get a new custom domain, buy a new domain and grow your brand online, and you have to configure with your existing domain. Use the domain already owned. So I will click over this one, and then we'll click over continue. Once you do that, you will find other page which is what is your company domain name. Under your company's domain name, you will use this name to set up custom email addresses such as info.example.com. We will tell you later how to confirm that your company owns this domain. So I will write my name of the domain. For example, we have here shoes. Then I will click over next. Once you do that, you will find other page which you have to link other information like your phone number, your password, your email address, and also your address and your city and your nation also. And then you will find other page which you have to do. It's to link your email address and your code, and you're done with this sign up. So let's come back to the home page. So once your account is set up, users can access various applications like Gmail for email, Google Drive for file storage, and Google Docs, Sheets and Slides for document creation and collaboration. Encourage team members to use Google Meet for virtual meetings and Google Calendar for scheduling. Leverage shared thrives for collaborative projects and explore Google Workspace's integration capabilities with other tools you use regularly, review and adjust settings to ensure security and optimize your workflows. So the first thing that we have here is a solution that brings together the applications popular with more than 3 billion users, Gmail, Calendar, Drive, Meet, and many others, now available with Gemini for Workspace to boost productivity with AI. So if you wanna get started, you can go for start, and we have your productivity and collaboration tools that adapts to all modes of work. We have here a video showing how it works. As you can see, you have just to watch this video until the end and you will understand how it works. As you can see, you have your location ideas. And you have all steps here. And this is how it works with Google Workspace. Then we have here discover the professional world of tomorrow. Keep up to date with Google Workspace news, events, and more. Have you discover new ways to work with Gemini for Workspace? Download our Gemini for Workspace manual to learn more about Gemini, and we have you keep up to date with product news and updates on the Google Workspace blog. Gemini query writing guides for Google Workspace. Learn how Gemini can help your business at our digital event Gemini at Work on September 24. Then we have here find the answers to your questions. We have the first question, what products are included in Google Workspace? You have just to click here and you get your answer. What is Gemini for Workspace and where can I find out more? Which Google Workspace? Is it possible to try Google? How do I sign up for Google Workspace? What is the difference between G Suite and Google Workspace? And this is how it works. So let's know why we use Google Workspace. So Google Workspace is widely used because it offers a comprehensive set of cloud-based productivity tools that enhance collaboration and efficiency with applications like Gmail, Google Drive, Docs, Sheets, and Meet. It allows teams to work seamlessly together in real time regardless of location. Its integration and accessibility make it easy to share files, communicate, and manage projects effectively, all within a secure and user-friendly environment. The flexibility and scalability of Google Workspace cater to both small businesses and large enterprises, making it a versatile choice for various organizational needs. Also, we have here other options and other information like solutions we have for individuals, presentations, small and medium-sized enterprises. We have presentation here. We have a company, startup, about large company. We have presentation, frontline workers, safer work. We have products also Gmail, Docs, Google Calendar. We have sheets, slides, CAD, Drive, Meet, and about sectors we have sectors health and life sciences, commerce, industry, administration, and public sector, professional services, and technology. What services we have sales, marketing, human resources, and this is how it works with Google Workspace. So this is for this video guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.